How to stop others from sending you Snapchat snaps. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to stop others from sending you Snapchat snaps. Watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. Log into your account. Tap Bitmoji icon at top left corner of the screen. Now tap your icon at top right corner of the screen and access your settings page. If you don't wish the unknown people to send you a Snapchat snap, simply you have to scroll to the bottom of the screen and then find the option for Contact Me. Simply locate it under Privacy Control and tap on it to access it. So simply you need to check mark the option for friends so that only the friends will be able to send you Snapchat snaps, not friends or contacts also. So in this way you can easily stop others from sending you Snapchat snaps. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.